In the last 5 years, you look at a company like Okomu Oil has returned over 800% in the last 5 years. Presco is even far more impressive, over 2,200% return in the last 5 years. So, from a portfolio perspective, how important are these two stocks when it comes to allocation in the Nigerian market?
So, when you, from a portfolio concept, when you are looking for stability and you're looking for sustained growth and stability in your portfolio, then you should have exposure to, number one, it allows you diversification.
Mhm.
Even when you are doing equity, your equity investment shouldn't just be in one sector. You should diversify it across other sectors. And our market you have is largely dominated by the banks, and then the insurers are actually not doing much and all that. The agri sector, represented by Okomu, has shown that you can actually diversify from the exciting or the non-popular stocks into what is might not be so exciting, but will guarantee you preservation of capital, sustained appreciation in value, and will not give you a heart attack. Okomu Oil, regrettably, is one stock I sold that I regret selling.
You sold.
So because I felt that maybe this returns is fantastic, over 500%, let me move it to other asset classes. But I regretted selling them. At some point, I had to even re-enter at a higher price. But what I encourage investors to do is don't sell your winning stocks. Irrespective of what the prices might be, look at the future of the company. The question I will ask today: Okomu Oil and Presco, do they have the potential to continue doing these numbers? The answer is yes. Look at the case
That's
of
my next. You just took the next question I was going to ask.
so look at the case of Okomu Oil. They ventured outside Nigeria. They acquired new plantation estate in Ghana, which they borrowed heavily, about 160 billion in bonds, long-term bonds, 7-year bonds to finance. Now, you see their profit after tax rose by almost 90% in Q1. Yes, their finance cost has increased, which I think they should be watchful about. But they are still able to pay that finance cost and still return that level of profitability to the investors. And they are growing their top line. And Presco and Okomu might help Nigeria to come back to be known as one of the top producing crude oil
Palm oil.
palm oil producers or crude palm oil producers in the world. So aside Malaysia, Indonesia, can we position